kitchen, cozy and bright. We're baking treats, oh what a sight. Sugar and spice, everything nice. Piping hot pastries, oh so nice. Piping hot pastries out of the oven they pop. Smelling so yummy we can't be stopped. Cookies and cakes and gingerbread men. Piping hot pastries, bake them again. Santa's coming, we hear him say ho ho ho. He loves those pastries, you know, you know. We'll leave a plate with care and cheer for the jolly old elf who's almost here. Piping hot pastries out of the oven they pop. Smelling so yummy we can't be stopped. Cookies and cakes and gingerbread men. Piping hot pastries, bake them again. Oops-a-daisy, what's that I see? The gingerbread man is running free. He's racing around with a frosting grin. You can't catch me, I'm too fast to pin. But we chased him down, caught him with glee. Now he's back on the tray, where he ought to be. Piping hot pastries out of the oven they pop. Smelling so yummy we can't be stopped. Cookies and cakes and gingerbread men. Piping hot pastries, bake them again. We'll sprinkle on snowflakes and candy cane hearts. Our Christmas creations, little works of art. The kitchen is warm with laughter and glee. Baking together, our family and me. Piping hot pastries out of the oven they pop. Smelling so yummy we can't be stopped. Cookies and cakes and gingerbread men. Piping hot pastries, bake them again. Piping hot pastries filling the air with Christmas magic and love everywhere. We share with our family, we share with our friends. This kitchen fun I hope never ends.